Hello, in this video, we will show you how we can make liquids in the blender. I will explain to you step by step this flow video that you see on the screen. It is possible to transform this fluid substance into any kind of fluid substance. Water, booze, or more. Let's start our lesson. Open the Blender program and select the general option from there. It is entirely up to you what the liquid will flow into. Here you can think of items such as a glass, pool, bottle. I'm going to change this cube a little bit and turn it into an object through which the liquid will flow. You can create the same object or draw a glass cup with the tab, i.e. keys. Now let's create the object through which the liquid flows. This sphere can be thought of as a faucet. Don't let the lesson drag on. Shift and a key to insert the object. G key is used to move. S key is used to minimize. Now let's add a new cube and arrange this cube to include all objects. Make sure this cube covers all objects because the animation will take place inside this cube. Switch to object mode with the tab key and select the cube we added last. From here, select the physics section. Fluid is the section where we can choose how all fluids will be controlled. Domain must be selected for the location where the animation will be made. This cube, which we think of as a glass, is where the effect ends. Finally, let's select the sphere, and this sphere will be the place where the liquid will flow. Select fluid type as liquid. Then, you have to choose the streaming behavior. And finally, select the cube that covers them all and select the domain type as liquid. The liquid is ready. You can review the animation by pressing the play button. If you want, you can improve the quality of the liquid in this section. However, the number here should not be too high. The computer may lag. You can gradually increase the setting here to make the animation better. Finally, let's add the shadow correction, and the settings are done. In the next video, we will look at how we turn our liquid into the drink we want. Goodbye.